if you can believe that. I mean, here it is, another wolf plate that I bought at the City Thrift some months ago. It was deep in the corner of no return because I put it there. I mean, I found it while I was looking for my glasses. I couldn't find them, so I had to dig out my other ones. So yeah, but that's not the subject of this video. The subject of the video is that. That's right, another alarm clock. Of course, the title card kind of gave it away, but yeah. This one I bought at the Goodwill shop some months ago. $3, and yeah. You just gotta love the way they put that Cosmo logo on it. I mean, that definitely looks so early 80s, you know, with the whole computerized thing. It's like it was the future. And now look at it. Yeah. But yeah, I saw it and I figured, why not? I mean, the display is bigger than your other cheapo alarm clocks and all that. And yes, that is today's date, the 7th of August. So yeah. And this is a model number E-905. Electronic LED alarm clock, power supply 120 volts, 60 hertz, 5 watts, AC use only, manufacturer Cosmo Time Corp. Once again, do not open, you will die. And it has battery backup for 9 volt, and this is out of focus, but it does say made in Hong Kong, so if I can get to focus again. Come on, focus. There we go. Yeah, made in Hong Kong. Oh, now I decide to focus. And you all approved. And some instructions. Well, you gotta trust me on this. Either way, hold buttons and all that. Or let you read it, but yeah. And yeah, this is a... I don't know where this was going. I mean, hell, I had an idea and a long story about this, but I just had a brain fart. But it does have the auto dimmer, so... Which is, I mean, in person it dims it, but the camera does not show it properly. But yeah. And I would set the alarm, but I'm holding the alarm set. It's not going to happen. What happens, you got to turn the alarm on and then set it. Kind of hard, but... Well, the alarm is set for 11:04 and it's right now 11:02, so yeah. I'll be back in a moment. Figured while I'm waiting for this to go off, I might as well explain that I found this last week at the Goodwill shop for 50 cents. It was 99 cents, but it was orange tag week and that was half off, so... It's missing the snooze bar button, and there's little rivets there that's supposed to something have gone on each side. I'll probably have a show and tell or a quick video on that later. So yeah. Da da na na na, da da na 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 na. Wake up! This is your Gamatron talking! Like, wake up, goddammit, wake up! Yep, definitely 80s. Because it definitely sounds like those Mattel handheld Gamatron systems, so yeah. Or that Bolatronic that I have, that I showed a video of some time ago. Yeah. I'm not sure, but I'm probably going to keep this one. I mean, just the fact that it's unique in a way. The alarm, not loud, but it's fucking annoying. And all that. So I guess I'm going to conclude this video of the Cosmo solid state alarm clock model E-905. $3 Goodwill find from some time ago, and just now getting to it. Kind of like an unmissed trophy. So I guess the next time, I'm Eskie, thanks for watching, and the comment box is open.